si Rogelio Ramirez Jr. From Proctor San Miguel Santo Tomas Davao del Norte, ang single bagets ng Ramirez. Ito po ang aking DIY arts. Ang mini notebook. Atin siya, tingnan nila. Ayun guys. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Tada! This is the mini notebook. And this mini notebook. Ito yung create hugot lines, editions per hours. And 3 minutes in 1 second. Ayun po siya guys. Or may sticker na kayo sa mga ganito. Walay to think at talo. Gusto ko po maging model sa buong panglahat. And by the way, marunong po ako like this. And guys, my drawing is about my favorite idol. In this, tingin guys. Ayan po. Oh my God, this is a manunulat in the Wattpad. And like this again sa NSMV. Tada! It's a look in the forward. It's a BL Sarahs. And light is light for monkey. The light is in the color. Another is light in my GC group chat. Oh, bini, you touch your body. Ibang babae ay, o binibining kaganda, lumapit ka sa akin ay. The was the voice and selfie like this. Hoy, chillin' yaks. Crush na crush kita.
Alalay, ikaw sa singlak.
Ayan, crush kita.
Eh, buyan!